and Satep hurried off. I looked carefully over the edge of the stairs. I couldn't see anyone, so I went back to the carvings of Punt. I liked the strange name. It sounded interesting, and it was. The pictures on the wall showed great ships with 30 rowers each in the land of Punt. There were tiny houses. The ships were loaded with wonderful things from Punt. Ebony, ivory, whole trees, baboons, monkeys, and greyhounds. There was a picture of the king of Punt and his wife. She looked very fat and was strangely shaped. What was wrong with her?
Very nice.
I tried to read the words above the picture. I could figure out some of the words, but not all of them. I didn't know enough. I couldn't find out about the Queen of Punt because I couldn't read. Oh, it's not fair, I burst out. It's not right. What's not right? Asked someone behind me. 6. Confusion. I spun around. There was a lady standing behind me. I looked around quickly, but she was the only one there. I relaxed. Father had said to slip away if I saw a lot of people coming. This was just one lady, wearing a white linen dress, very much like mine.
So we're going to make a prediction. Who do you think this lady is?